The project is located in Chengdu. Sited in a factory park that has been empty for years, it covers an area of about 2,500 square meters with a floor area of about 960 square meters. While reflecting the concept of sustainability, the project aims to create a dynamic and three-dimensional multifunctional space with the concept of openness and sharing so as to allow people inside and outside the building to move and communicate with each other freely. ArchiHope makes full use of the unified design of architecture, landscape and interior to create a site with a double-function, mini-commercial complex, which serves as both an IP showroom for mini cars and a mini social complex for the public with galleries, makers, coffee, new retail for IP merch, etc. While the overall design strives to be simple, it abandons the stacking of materials, takes sustainability as the design principle, using the original building structural beams and extending expanded aluminum sheets through indoor space of the first floor. It saves a lot of cost to retain the original mottled reinforced concrete columns, the bare reinforced concrete columns, which seem to tell a story of watching vicissitudes of history lonely, have a sense of historic dignified beauty, and its direct reuse is of safety, economy, ecology and aesthetic values. The design focuses on commonality and openness, so the linearity of intersecting extended surfaces in the architectural landscape are also used in the shape design of the bar counter and oblique section of the staircases. The unified crisscrossing lines break the fixed relationship among functional spaces and connect functional spaces with different attributes so as to create the interaction between indoor and outdoor space. Inorganic terrazzo is used for flooring as the most natural material. Terrazzo, which is made from stone, recycled broken glass and cement, is handy, cheap, environmentally friendly and pollution-free, and can help the rapid completion of the project. Through the metallic staircases to the second floor, a livelier and more active linearity is adopted through the design of the space on the second floor, which make it a more flexible, open and variable social space, but also a presence to explore the possibility of mutual activation among space, people and life.